Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix silent calls on your iPhone. Now, if somebody is calling you, maybe a contact or a random unknown number is calling you, but it never rings to your iPhone, I'm going to show you several steps to definitely get that fixed. Now, let's first just hop into the Settings app on your iPhone. From here, scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics. At the top, you can see silent mode. If silent mode is turned on, of course, it will silence all calls or ringtones. So all you need to do is toggle that off. Keep in mind, if you don't see this on there or you have a silent button on the older iPhones, you can see at the top left here, right above the volume up, you'll want to push that volume button towards you to disable silent mode. The next thing you're going to do is under ringtones and alerts is turn this volume all the way up so it's as loud as possible. Next, we're going to scroll down, tap on ringtone, and make sure that it is set to a ringtone that you will be able to hear, like this one. After you've done that, let's tap the back arrow at the top left, tap the back arrow again, scroll up to the top here, and from the top, scroll down a little bit, tap on focus, and if you have a focus mode turned on, like do not disturb or silence, you're going to turn that off because this will disable ringing on your iPhone. So to turn it off, swipe down from the top right, tap on that focus mode that might be turned on, and just tap on it so that it is disabled. If it is all gray, then essentially all those focus modes are turned off. The next thing you're going to do, tap the back arrow at the top left, scroll up, tap on Bluetooth, and check to see if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth device, like headphones, speakers, or car. Essentially, it could be playing those ringtones through that device. If anything next to it says connected, just tap on the little I and disconnect from it, or you can just turn off Bluetooth. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow at the top left, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Apps at the bottom, scroll down until you get to the Phone section, tap on Phone, scroll down again until you get to Screen Unknown Callers. If you have this set to silence, this will silence all unknown callers that are not in the contacts list of your iPhone. And if you want those to ring, you can either switch it to ask reason for calling or switch it to never. The next thing you're going to do if it's still not working is hop out of here and we're going to force restart your iPhone. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. I'll walk you through how that works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though it says slide to power off. Eventually your iPhone screen will go completely black. And after that, just like that, after that you'll be able to see the Apple logo will appear. When it does, release your fingers and you've done a force restart on your iPhone, fixing tons of bugs and glitches, including silent calls. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.